Hi there everyone, so time for another video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kick off a series here. I'm going to lead into a fairly large SDWAN ADVPN based deployment, but I'm going to use the main three public cloud providers to achieve it. So today's video is going to be about deploying a virtual gate in Google Cloud or GCP. The next video will be Microsoft Azure, and then the next video will be Amazon Web Services. And what we're going to do from there is we're going to build out the virtual gates. And then we are, under the first phase, we might connect them all up to the same security fabric. And we might do the new security fabric based deployment using no FortiManager. Build an IPsec VPN mesh or ADVPN. And then in the second phase of the video series, we will bring in a FortiManager, and I will show you how to get the best out of FortiManager. So using FortiManager, some of the templates, that kind of thing, to build out an IPsec VPN mesh or ADVPN across all major public cloud providers. I do have an ATF knocking about somewhere as well, so I might bring on a fourth site and use that as my home appliance. Okay, so to kick things off, I've logged into my GCP account. I go to Marketplace, search for Fortinet. You'll probably see loads of products here that can be used. We are looking for Fortinet Next Generation Firewall, pay as you grow, because we can leverage this free 30-day trial. So let's go getting started. We're in the right project. I want it to be inside Virtual FortiGate project. Just accept the terms. This should cost around 30p an hour, just to give you an idea of cost. I've not done this in a while, so let's just allow those. I've only ever done GCP a few times for different clients, so it could be interesting. I'm much more comfortable with Azure and Amazon Web Services. Don't really see GCP being requested very often at the minute, to be honest with you. But I do feel as though, if I remember correctly, actually building out the GCP deployment was much easier and much nicer, in my opinion, than the other two. So let's see. I'll probably skip bits and bobs in the video as well. Here we are. Okay, so that's deploying now. You can see I've been given a temporary admin password. Let's close these at the top. It does take about 5 minutes or so, this. So I will skip the video forward. Okay. Put in the password that we copied from the main page. Change the password. Okay, I'm in. And there should be 2 network interfaces. Lovely. And I've got the one I want on the LAN side. Brilliant. So let's just check out the basics. Just make sure I've got internet connectivity. Yeah. And yeah, VM01. Yeah, cool. Relatively simple. So that brings this video to a close. Just to outline, this is part of a series. You just saw how to do a GCP-based deployment. Really straightforward. Just make sure that as part of the configuration, you do create a secondary interface, because if you don't select it, the instance will create, but you only have a WAN interface and you will not have an inside interface. This is part of a series. You can just watch it in piecemeal if you want. The next video will be how to deploy a virtual gate in Azure. The next video after that will be Amazon Web Services. And then the video after that will be how to stitch it all together using ADVPN, SD-WAN. And the video after that will be how to use FortiManager effectively. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.